333 Bermuda Creek. Generally, in this situation, we would power wash the driveway. Whoa. That's a pool. They put a net over it to keep people from falling in. This is such a large house. And this is transitioning to vinyl in the laundry room. You have a side entry door on the far side. Probably want to power wash in here as well. So we can have the carpet replaced at about $1.50 a square foot, and it's also about $1.50 a square foot to paint. There are a lot of blinds in this property. These are very similar to the blinds that we use, but they're dated and I don't know if they all work. Normally we would put tile in the wet areas at $5 a square foot, plus about another $1.50 a square foot for the second floor. The stairs took my breath away. So this office is only accessible through the master. Interesting. You have a loft area here. Definitely 100% repaint and replacing the carpet in here with tile as well. It's about $65 to replace that little drain ring. Yeah. Need a shower head, recaulk. Nice, good janitorial. Replace this door. I don't know what happened here. Whoa. Yeah. Okay.